Euro yen. Okay, so I think the yen pairs are gaining their momentum back upwards. You can see there's huge rejection here, the 152 level. Now I think this wants to make its way up. So now we have to figure out where it's going to head to. So price moves. We'll be a little bit conservative this month because I think it is heading to like pretty much all-time highs. There's just this area up here, but that was a long time ago. That was 2008. Price is that high, so I'd be a little bit more on the conservative side. So we'll say about 600 pips is where it moves on the month. So then all we got to do, guys, is just move this up because they're already set for 600, which is its normal monthly range, and something like this. So we'll just move this to the closest whole number, which would be like 156, and then 162. So here's your monthly high. That's your target. And then yeah, we'll just put this at the closest whole number. There's not really any resistance here yet, but who knows, price might pull back a little bit and create some. Ideally, we're not going to enter this now by any means. We have to just wait till it presents itself a little bit better, and then we can enter a long position. So it's got to break this zone here, which I don't think it's going to have too much of an issue. Had nice support here, so we can leave these zones. And then what I'm looking for is I gotta drop it down to the 4 hour, and I gotta find maybe some resistance somewhere, or some support in this situation. So if this is a bullish leg, a big pull up, there's no real retracement until like right here, which is pretty low. Don't know if it'll get that low. Price is above this 4 hour moving average, so right now we don't really know. So there's some wicks here, but they're really small. I don't like that. My first area that I would like to consider would be right here, just based on these wicks, some here and some here, but even that's not that nice. So sometimes like when things aren't really clear, like on Euro Swiss, the last pair we looked at, or 2 pairs ago, I mean, things were just really clear. This one's not as clear, so I think we just got to wait a little bit longer for something to set up. As of right now, I'd keep it like this. This is just the theory trade here. Something like this. This is our long. We definitely want to take a long position. We definitely want to target the full monthly range, but we just don't know where to enter yet. It's definitely bullish, so we're with the trend. That's no problem. We just don't have a specific area of entry yet, so we'll just leave this open here. Can move it over a little bit here. Yeah, so we'll revisit this in a few days and see what sets up. I mean, if price breaks this zone, then by all means we'll just move this up, and that'll be our entry up here. If the bullish momentum is there and it pushes through this zone, then we'll just go after the monthly move straight away. But until then, we just have to be patient. Hopefully price comes back and just pulls back a little bit, creates a few wicks here, and then we can enter a long and it'll head up and we'll be good to go. So that's Euro Yen.